Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Tools folder and from it selecting Sound Recorder app. After that, click on Allow in the pop-up, then in the other one, and click on this button with a microphone to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. If you wish to discard your recording right away, select this pin on the left. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right instead. Now name your recording however you want to and hit OK. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you want to delete it instead, you need to hold it. Tap on this pin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!